Hi, my name is Joseph. Welcome to Cultivating Woodworking. This is the workshop. Let's go inside and have a look. All right, so we're inside the shop. This is it. Got my tools here: router table, table saw, miter saw, bandsaw, and planer. I built the table for this and this, and I build stuff. It's what I do. I mean, if you need something, I can probably build it or figure it out. That's kind of the way I did these. I didn't have any plans. I just built them. I knew what I wanted it to look like, knew about the height I wanted it, and there we go. So I make coasters, and this is one of them I've been using for a while. So I'd like to thank Mowing Done Right for being a sponsor. They're the ones that kind of helped me out a little bit on this. It's carbonated, caffeinated, not alcoholic. So, by the way, don't drink and do woodworking stuff. That's bad. Those saws don't care. We'll save that for another part. So if you need something, you want to follow along, see when I mess up, because I do mess stuff up. Well, welcome to the journey. And I call it Cultivating Woodworking because I'm always doing something. Most of it is from reclaimed wood, and I try to make it look pretty. So, thanks for watching. See you down the road. I'll put more videos and pictures out. Thanks. Bye.